Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Liquidus Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Liquidus Wallet application on your device, and after you have been taken to the homepage, tap on I already have a wallet to log into your existing account. Now tap on Import Wallet and you will be asked to enter the seed phrase that has been given to you while you created your account in the first place. You are also asked to take a note of this seed phrase and to save it so that you can use this later in order to recover your account. So just type in the 12-word recovery phrase in the given box and then tap on the import button. After you tap on it, just accept the terms and conditions and press accept once again. Now you have the option to add an email address to receive more news about Liquidus Wallet. You can tap on the join button after entering your email or press the skip button as well. Finally, you will now be asked to enter your PIN code. Type in your 6-digit PIN code that you would like to set for your account and then type it in once again for confirmation. After you enter your PIN twice, you will now be logged in to your existing account on the Liquidus Wallet right away. If you have previously used this account and you had any funds, you will also get them back into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Liquidus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.